I've got a broken cavitation plate on this lower unit, and I'm going to take it to a guy to get it welded and fixed. This is off a Mercury 225, a 2015 model. It's got the TorqueMaster lower unit on it. As you can see, there's a chunk missing out of it, and they're going to cut a plate off, get it welded in here. And so I'm going to take it over there right now, and we're going to see what we can get done. I got the lower unit back from the welding shop, and I'm very happy with the results. This piece was missing. It was cracked and broke off, and he was able to cut a new piece of aluminum. And this welding in here is TIG welding. And this is cast aluminum, this lower unit. And when I was talking to the welder, he was telling me how it's, there's some trash in the cast, and it's very important to have these good clean welds. So there's multiple welds that were all TIG. There was some cracking in here that was welded up, and then even on the bottom side, he did a little welding in here. Now, this new piece doesn't have the cutout, so on this anode, he just trimmed it up here, so that'll still fit in there as the cover plate, and we'll still have the majority of the anode in there. And just to go over again why I chose to have this welded, this lower unit is a TorqueMaster. It goes on a Mercury Optimax 225. And when this initially broke, I was thinking, well, maybe I would just get a replacement lower unit. And I found out these lower units are very expensive. New, they're like $9,000 to $11,000. Companies like SEI don't make a replacement. I checked with them. I've got a Mercruiser Alpha 1, and you can get some pretty cheap replacements through companies like them. But for this TorqueMaster, with the price that it was, did a little research. I talked to a local marine company, and they have a guy that did some welding for them and some of their warranty work. I took it to him. The cost was pretty reasonably. It only cost about $425 to get this welded up. So I'm really happy with the results, and I'm happy to know that you can get this kind of repair done to a lower unit instead of having to get a replacement. So I'm going to get this put back on the boat and be ready to get back out in the water. And then hopefully this can help you if you've got one of these high dollar TorqueMaster units and you have an issue like this, that you can take it to your local guy, get it welded up, get fixed, get back out of the water, and save yourself some money. Thanks for watching.